So your second name is small chops. You look forward to Nigerian weddings just to eat small chops, but you don't know how to make it healthy. Come, let me teach you. Listen. Eh? Oh my God. Did you hear that? This is the best, crispiest chicken rice paper rolls you ever make. Of course, you need chicken and your vegetables. I'm using bell peppers, carrots, cabbage, some garlic, and some ginger. Okay, so now we're going to use your food processor to process everything. Listen, I have about 7 cups of vegetables here. No small chops in this world. We give you 7 cups of veggies. And you don't want to start slicing all these things. So use your gadgets. Get your food processor. Do that. Now heat up a pan. Butter, onions, ginger garlic paste. Saute that. Then add your chicken breast that has been seasoned to perfection. I'm talking salt, black pepper, some bouillon, paprika, ginger, garlic, and onion powder. Now go ahead and add your cabbage and your carrots. Saute for just 1 minute. You want to keep it crispy. Season it very well with some salt, pepper, bouillon, and this very nice Cameroon pepper, very spicy. Now you add your mayo. You remember you're not cooking it for long. After adding your mayo, add your bell peppers. Turn off the heat immediately. We need everything crispy. It's not too greasy. It's creamy because of the mayo that we added. We added about 2 tablespoons of that. Now chill that in the fridge. Wash your pan and put it back on heat. We're going to wrap the rolls now. I'm going to show you 2 methods. The first one is the envelope method. Now this one is very easy. Pile on your filling in the center, about 2 tablespoons of filling. Left to right, right to left, and then just tuck everything in. That's what you're going to do to the second layer because you need to double this. If not, it will just give way when you're trying to pan fry this, okay? I'm showing you several times. You could pause it, go back, watch it again. It's a very simple method. Now, this second one is the spring roll method. You still do left to right. However, you're going to make this very tight, okay? So as you're folding, you're pulling, you're folding, you're pulling till you get to the end, and then you're going to be left with this nice spring roll kind of shape. Notice how filling this filling is. It's not just flour or rolling flour. See inside. See the chicken. See. Oh my God, you guys, by the time your children eat 2 of this, you will know that they've eaten something nutritious. On a normal day, if you carry 7 cups of vegetables, who will eat it from your hand? But when you make it into spring rolls, they will eat it. You can find rice paper rolls in any posh supermarket. Ebano has it. Goodies at Ikeja has it. Most of these big supermarkets have rice paper rolls. You just need to ask them, where are your shawarma wraps? I need rice paper. And that's all. Listen. Hey! Oh my God. Listen to that. So crispy. They would really enjoy this. Now you want to make the best dressing for this: avocados, Greek yogurt, honey, season with some salt, pepper, then add a little bit of lemon and orange juice. Yes, orange juice. Blend that up, and you guys, I don't need to tell you how nutritious this is. It doesn't taste like something that has all these veggies, but it's so good. You saw my children eating this. I'm sure most of you are wondering, how can this thing be so sweet? Yes, try it, and you will thank me because it's delicious. Now let's make small chops that is guilt-free and absolutely divine.